Welcome to the Zoho Social dashboard. This is your central hub for managing and monitoring all your social media activities. At the top, you'll see the Brand Health section. This gives you a quick snapshot of your performance across all connected social channels for the past 30 days. Here, you can track total followers and growth percentage, new followers gained, number of posts or videos published, reach, which shows how many people saw your content, and engagements, including likes, shares, and comments. This section helps you understand how your brand is performing at a glance. Below, you'll find the Recent Posts section. This displays thumbnails of your latest posts across different platforms, along with the date and time they were published. It's a quick way to review your recent content. On the right side, you have Quick Actions. From here, you can create a new post or use Bulk Schedule to plan multiple posts in advance. This feature saves time and keeps your content calendar organized. Just below Quick Actions is the live stream. This shows real-time updates like likes, shares, and mentions from your audience. It's perfect for staying engaged without switching screens. With this dashboard, Zoho Social gives you everything you need to monitor performance, publish content, and interact with your audience, all in one place.
Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.